తెచ్చుకో పిలుస్తా తెచ్చుకో పోనీ
అది నిండల్లదు చుట్టూ
Okay, so 3 points we completed till now. Next is data model errors. Okay, as of now we have seen here layout model errors by using output post processor. Okay, now data model errors by using we can use. We'll see first error how it will be. Okay, so there is a report here that's an withholding tax. We'll take this. Okay, so instead of changing the original one, what I am doing is I'm copying to another report here. Copy to. We can take the same program name with our client name here. So original one, if you modify it, other people will not be able to practice. That's what I'm saying. And then the same whatever we are saying, withholding tax by invoice. And whatever the shortcut here by using here your client name or APX WTINV. These parameters. Save this program. Okay. And you need to make it as an XML publisher as it is an XML. And the original file we have to download it here. APX WTGNR. Go to executable. This file will be available into payables. So first connect to WinSAP. We could have saved here, we missed it. apps.12c.com is the IP address. Save. I'm just saving so that next time it will open directly. Now Control O. Earlier we have seen the path, right? Same path I'm going. Or else directly I will go. I think it seems it's already there. Different path till here. FS means file system. It is FS1, EBS apps, application, and your module name like AP and reports and US. So your file will be available in this particular standard RDF list. So whatever these are all like, these are all customized. Someone has kept here all these files. Okay, these are all user-defined files. It is, but your file is different. That is, you have seen, right? File name. This file name APX WTGNR. So you can type it APX WTGNR. This is the file. If you type it, there is no control F search command here. So this is a file. Now take this file, download. So after downloading, we may need to rename this file. This one, with the help of your client name. Original name, I'm not modifying anything. This we have to again move back to server. This one, correct? Sorry, this is wrong. Yes. Now we may need to create executable also with that particular name, correct? Take this extension not required. File name. Go to concurrent program. Here is a place. It is still taking the original report. It's not correct, right? So definitely we have to give here your modified file. That's it. Now what we can do, go to request group here, attach. So program name. Can you please go on mute? Give some dates here. Let's say I'm giving some old dates. I'm giving. Let me see what type of output it will give. We are talking about now data model related issues. That means RDF related, XML tag related issues, not RTF. RTF we already talked about. Output post processor it is. Now data model issues. So these are all the common issues you will face. Definitely you will get errors in the company. See, this is the error. Okay. So the moment you open any report, it has to generate the XML tags like this, correct? Like this. But in our case, it is not generating XML tags. So that is a problem with the here space here. See, this is the space. This space, it is not able to create a layout here, a data model. So take this data model element here. So this, just copy as it is. Go to report builder. You have to open that RDF which you renamed it, this one. Open this RDF and keep it in the find place. So automatically it will take. Okay, click on this F4. So this is the space is having a problem. Yes. That's it. Okay, and you need to put it back into the server here. We rectified that. You have to check, are there any other columns having same? See, this is also having an issue. If you press F4, there is a space. If you wanted to see the same issue, then let's move. I'm not modifying right now this Sandro 1995. Let's see that. Move it. and submit. Now we got another issue, correct? So that means the problem with the space, this space are in junk characters also, non-English characters. Non-English characters also having issue here. Non-English characters means, yeah, this is also non-English. For example, I'll show you. You can see. Can you see one apostrophe here? This is a non-English. Okay. There may be some trademark symbols. Not this. Yeah. So above you, and copy into the notepad so that you'll come to know. Can you see here? Small dots. So this is also non-English. Okay. So for non-English case also, we'll get an issue here. This data model issue. Mostly, regularly we'll get issue with the space. So now what you can do again? You press F4 here or else double click. Save. Move to server. Now you'll not face any issue. So instead of modifying original report, I made a custom version here. Custom executable, custom concurrent program, and attached to a request loop. And RDF name is also custom. Custom is your client name will have here for every report, naming convention. You'll see, it's generating tags. Got it? Now answer is simple, right? If you get data model issues, what you can do? So that is because of a space. So simply remove the space or else fill with the underscore. Underscore is the best option so that it will be understandable easily. Clear? Are you okay with this? Fourth point. I took one example as a withholding tax, but there are so many reports like that, standard reports. Now, fifth point here is limited records per page. Let's preview this. How many records it is showing? Okay, this we have modified, right? Correct? This many, but I would like to display only these many per page, sorry. So at the bottom, actually, sometimes if you observe any pre-printed stationaries, at the bottom you can see addresses, terms and conditions like that. Just like bank checks, if you observe, okay, already printed matter will be there. So we need to maintain a limited space. So let's say 8 records per page we need to maintain. So for that one syntax we have to use. We need to write like this in between angular brackets. So this is angular brackets. So if see, there is a keyword here, position and parenthesis. Position and parenthesis act as a row number here. So I'm just showing you, correct? Row number 1, 2, 3 like that. Sequential number it is. So if condition we have to write if colon position modulus operator 8 is equal to 0. Okay, then we have to split it. Split by phase break and colon. If condition is started, we have to do it end if. So what I will do, I'll just, for better space, I am deleting this cell. Okay, delete column. Okay, but delete also, it is taking time. Okay, it is better. Position modulus 8 is equal to 0 split by phase break. This is a syntax it is. Split. Review. If it is giving only one number, means syntactically it is wrong. See, right now it is showing only per page one number. Correct? It is not giving more than that. So what you can do, just give this some space is creating a problem. What I will do, I'll simply copy the syntax. Syntaxes you can copy, you keep it with you. This is a syntax, same only. We typed it. There could be some space issue. It is not giving properly. So I am removing the older whatever we typed. You see any difference you found here? Line to line observe. Yeah, that is okay. Number of records, that is not a problem. Number is not a problem. Any space split by page break. No, right? But this four will work. So instead of 4, you can keep 8, not an issue. Only limited. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to count easily, I'm just giving 3. Only 3 records per page. And at the bottom, you can maintain the terms and conditions, or logos, or signatures, anything we can maintain. These are all we are going to give a print on a paper, already printed paper. So at that time, for space purpose, we can use this limited records per page. These are all reporting only, right? Whatever we are talking about, reporting only. Manager has to see this output. This is a syntax. Same syntax only we have used. Can we type it? Tell me how to maintain limited records per page. These angular brackets, there is no much coding knowledge required for this. If colon position parenthesis, position acts as a row number, right? This modulus function reminder it will give modulus, you know, right? Mathematics, and 4 or any number is equal to 0. Then there is one more syntax. Break colon, it is colon is required. And the same way, perfect. This is the syntax. To display limited records per page, this is the best option. Okay. Now, 6th one we'll see. Multi-template. Defaulting template. Any confusion? Multi-template and defaulting template. Actually, it's very easy software, XML Publisher. Concentration is important. Multi-template means here, you can go to XML Publisher. Here is the place. Templates. Data definition is only one, but template we are making multiple. That's why it's a multi. Your data definition, name, check. These are all started with this. So which is yours? This one, right? Recent one. Okay, select this. So click on go. Right now only one, but I would like to make one more template. So duplicate has to work. I don't know. It is not working. Some internal error. I am not sure. It is not giving any clue. Go to templates, create template based on the same data definition it is. I'm just giving it 2 just for identification. Same registration yesterday, whatever you have done. Your language, your territory. Apply. Now, if you go and search here, templates on the same data, you will see two templates. See, this is called as a one-to-many relationship. One report, but 2 different layouts. What is the purpose? Why we need to maintain is, so one is PDF output, other one is Excel output, or one is summary output, other one is detailed output, like that it is. So we can have multiple templates it is. Now we can go to payables, submit that particular report. This one, right? Third one. So it is picking one layout, but I need a second layout. So from where I can get here is click on options here, and here is the place template name, and you can take it. See, 2 layouts. One report may have 2 template layouts, more than 2, I can say. So click on this again. If you want to go back, take this. Like this, you can take. Okay. Now, another enhancement to this is we can easily maintain multi-templates that we have seen already. But out of it, defaulting template is required. Defaulting means, so the moment you select a program, it has to take automatically. For example, here, I'm selecting, it needs to take the second layout automatically. But right now it is taking first layout. This is called as a defaulting. Okay. So how to maintain a defaulting template here is, you can go to system administration, not administrator. Remember, I'm not going here. As of now, you are familiar with the system administrator, but you need to go to administration. Click on this.
నేను వచ్చేసరికి హోంవర్క్స్ అన్నీ అయిపోవాలి వచ్చినాయి.
Current. Then programs. Click on this. You need to give a program name or short name, sorry, not program name. Click on update option. There is an on-site, you need to remember this term here, on-site setting tab. Okay, click on on-site setting, and we had 2 templates here, correct? Template number 2 and this is template number 1. Template number 2 I am making as a top priority. You can give a number, but right now not needed. Okay, apply. So okay, so this error, it is not related to you, ignore it. Okay, if you see this error also, ignore it simply. Close window. Now go back and verify it whether it is picking default or not. Okay, we've Did you observe it? It has picked a layout 2, numeric 2, correct? So if you want, unlike this, if you wanted to populate the first one as a defaulting, same steps we have to follow. So tell me how to do it. Which responsibility we need to go? Correct. System administration. Then navigation. Concurrent. Programs. Give a short name or program name. Then update. After that, perfect on-site setting tab. Then we can choose this. Okay. And observe again. You can go with the auto. It's picking. So that means it is working fine. Okay. That's about the defaulting template. Now, 7th point we'll see. That's it. So likewise, we have more than 25 points are there. Right now, all are important. I'm covering initially only. Small points we'll cover at last. But still, these are all top priority. Sub template. In interviews, they will focus. That's why I am focusing initially only. Sub template. So sub template means here is calling a template from other template. But we need to register separately for that. Okay. It's just a 4 steps process. It is sub template. So first we need to declare a sub template. Okay. Just telling the sub steps here. Declare. So for declaring sub template, you need to first take one new blank document. Data, load XML data. These are one, right? Third one. And insert all fields also you can take in this. So in this, I would like to take only operating unit and address. That's it. For example, columns may be anything, okay? Or simply you declare it straight away, not a problem. Declaring a template, the keyword is helpful here. Short name, short only, template, and its identifier. So identifier, I'm just giving as a sub simply. Okay, like this. Your client name followed by underscore sub. This is the name of a sub template. So take the syntax. So first is over. So how to declare is by using a keyword. Clear? Colon is required as a reference, and this is our own name. You can give any name. The second one is upload sub template application. Application is your XML publisher. So how to upload is same way. You need to go to. I'll close all this. Even I'm getting confused. These are all outputs, right? So it's just a document, but we need to make as an RTF. RTF is required before uploading. So here also I'm giving name sub template .rtf. Just for identification, I'm typing as a sub template. You don't need to do like that. So it will not give the any output here if you preview. The reason is this syntax is there. If you don't have this syntax, definitely it will give you the output like this. Understood, right? So don't feel that output is not giving. That is because of the syntax. It is not able to recognize here. Okay. Now go to XML Publisher. Can you please go on mute? XML Publisher Administrator. So tell me what we need to do initially. What will be your next step here?
Definitions.
Data definition already there. Okay. Only template we have to create. Here, if you look at see, create template. Searching is not required. Create template. Code I'm giving here is a sub and same data definition. And here sub application name is payables. And this is the one mandatory. Okay. Sub template we have to make it as yes. And browse. Check where is a sub template here. And your language. Territory. Okay. So what is the difference is only this difference. Apply. So this sub template, we need to call it from main template dynamically from server. So for that, there is a syntax is required. This is the main template. Okay. The main template, we need to use a import command here. I'm typing here import colon. So what is the short name of XML Publisher? Just before I showed you, right? In the last class. Right, XTO colon import colon XTO colon // then application short name of payables. What is the application short name of payables? SQL, correct? Dot your subtemplate code. This is the code. See, there is a space it's taking here at the end. You should not take this. This space is also wrong. Dot the language is English. So full English you should not give. So if you want to know what is the English is, there is a table here. Geo logs. So where log code, LOB log code is equal to your which language it is showing here? Yeah, that you have to give. And territory, US. Okay. PM.US. So this is a syntax. So what it means here is we are importing RTF template from servers into this main template. Import command through XML Publisher and payable name, short name, subtemplate code dot language dot territory. This is a syntax to import any template from server. Okay. After importing, we have to call it. Call is also mandatory. Call command by using subtemplate. So where exactly you declared here? This one. This is the way we can call it. So two templates are there. One is main template, other one is subtemplate. Okay, this is a main template. This one is a subtemplate. Calling a template from other template. Conditionally, we can call that. Make sure you should not have a spaces. Mostly, you people will do mistake by including spaces. Now this is modified RTF. So this modified RTF we have to keep into server here. Go to templates here. Which is the main template out of it? This one, right? This is a sub template, this is a second template, and main template. Update. Apply. Clear? Now you can submit it. Definitely it will call. If it is not able to call, means syntactically you did something wrong. That you have to verify, cross verify. For different terms and conditions, different output styles, different logos, for all those cases, we will use a sub template. We output. It's still generating. We'll say other format, okay. PDF is always better. So it is not giving output, correct? So something went wrong here. So check the syntax. Only major problem with the syntax only. So we did a mistake actually here. See that imported one we have not uploaded, correct? So we submitted wrongly. So syntactically it's correct only, correct? It's not a sub template, right? It's a main template. For main template, by mistake, we uploaded sub template. That's wrong. You have to be cautious. This one, correct? Before submitting, better check once by downloading. I think it's correct one, right? Okay, now submit it. No, definitely you can see. Let's see. 14 KB it is showing, right? If not, we'll do again. Yeah. Correct. So this is the main template output, and this one is a sub template output. It is calling a template from other template. Clear? Overall, it's a 4 steps process. So first we declared it, second we uploaded it, and third one is import syntax, import and call syntax. Now I'm expecting from you, what is the syntax for import? Import colon XML publisher short name colon slash slash, then sub template code dot sorry, application short name, right? Application short name dot sub template code dot language dot territory. Clear? And after importing, we should not forget one thing. What is that? Call command, right? Call colon sub template code. And fourth one is upload main template. That's it. Only 4 steps process. Upload main template. Sub template we already uploaded. So we already uploaded. Okay. So we are modifying in the main template, right? So we have to upload. Now, 8th one is when choose otherwise. Or we can say choose when otherwise. They're all syntaxes. We can type also. No need to copy even. Go to report builder. Data model. So here is a place I am taking. Invoice table is not there, is it? Okay, what is that output first of all? I will just take some tables. So whenever there is a credit, we have to display a credit memo. And in case of a debit, debit memo. It's just if then else logic. So overall, how many records are there? 2000 records. That's okay. Take this. So these are all for explaining purpose. I am telling you. Otherwise, I can help you in one report. complete all the features. Here also I can generate XML tags. So this one, no need to register from application. It's just for temporary purpose. Module 2, right? Power blank document. Module 2. Insert all fields. Review PDF. Let it be template builder. I don't want to save all this. So now here I need to put the if conditions. I mean to say that choose when otherwise. Okay. Here I would like to type it. Choose your column tag. It is tag we can copy from here. This is a tag. Choose colon. Your invoice type lookup code. Spaces mostly you have to avoid. Is equivalent to what is the value of it here. Choose after choose when also we have to type it here. Wrong it is. Choose colon when condition. The moment you write a choose, we have to end it also. End choose. Then colon your syntax. Invoice type lookup code. Is equivalent to what is the value of it? It is showing credit. Credit. If it is a credit, we have to display the credit memo. And end when also we need to type it here only. That is end when. That's it. In the same way, you can write multiple conditions. Like I'm just copying the same. Debit it is now. Debit. The debit memo. Otherwise, there is a other one. Otherwise, it's an other condition. It is colon as it is. Otherwise, as it is, we have to display. These are not required. And end otherwise. Perfect. So if you see here, now you can easily understand. Just observe once. Any confusion in this? We are selecting, choosing means selecting. We are selecting when type lookup code is credit, we are overriding and displaying as a credit memo. The same way, if it is a debit, there are so many types of invoices we have. Credit memo, debit memo, standard. We put a distinct, you will come to know. Distinct. Invoice number is not needed. As of now, standard also there, debit memo, credit memo. For other IDs, we'll have so many types. See, prepayment invoice, we have expense report invoice, we have these type of invoices are there. So whenever there is a value, then that we have to override and display. Okay, now try to preview PDF. Element when not found in XSL choose. It is saying wrong. Choose when. Any typo error here? Just check. Other, yeah, correct. Otherwise. So if it is a credit, we are replacing as a credit memo. If it is a debit, it is not working. See, correct? Debit was wrong. I think it does not have a debit in this. Otherwise, it is working fine, right? Otherwise, standard is showing. No worries. Debit is there already. Only for credits working, for others it's not working, is it? Check syntax. What I will do, I will take syntax. Why to worry? This is syntax. Keep syntax file with you. If I type it, you will be able to understand. That's why I'm typing. You have to tell now. Any mistakes we have done? Choose correct. Then when? Oh, this alias name only. Invoice number and when. Otherwise. No mistakes, right?
Otherwise, space you have there. So
This one.
yes, yes.
This one. Okay, let me keep here in this syntax. Now it is working fine, right? Credit we are displaying the credit number, debit we are displaying the invoice number, and standard is also invoice number. It's working fine now. If you want to add up one more condition, you can add up here for debit. Just copy, paste. It's working perfectly now, correct? So this is a good example actually. Okay, easily. If it is aligned in a single line, you can easily understand, correct? I feel you can easily understand now. when colon invoice type equal to standard invoice number. If it is credit memo, credit number. If it is debit, debit number. Else normal invoice number. So choose is the syntax here and end choose. And it started when condition and then end when it is. Starting and ending you have to manage. Okay. As of now, 8 points we discussed. I'm stopping here. Any queries? So shall I continue after 15 minutes or enough? You have to think about it.
Continue.
Okay, take 15 minutes break and come back again. Whether we'll continue other topic. Okay, XML you are feeling bored, right? Same topic difficult. Guys, we'll have a class after 15 minutes. Is that okay? Online?
Okay. Okay, madam.
Okay.
It's okay.